Much has been said about the pursuit of happiness, but what about the pursuit of meaning? It turns out that pursuing meaning may have more of an impact on long-term life satisfaction than pursuing happiness. But what is a meaningful life? According to a paper published in 2016 in the Review of General Psychology, a meaningful life contains 3 features. Purpose, the degree to which you feel directed and motivated by valued life goals. Comprehension, the ability to understand and make sense of your life experiences and weave them into a coherent whole. And mattering, the belief that your existence is significant and valued. So when people say their lives are meaningful, in other words, it's because they feel their lives have purpose, coherence, and worth. Here are 7 ways to make your life feel more meaningful. 1. Have a purpose. As I shared earlier, having a purpose in life is paramount to having a meaningful life. To find your purpose, you should begin by identifying your strengths. Then look for ways to use your strengths in a way that will serve and benefit others. 2. Reframe how you see your job. Getting results at work isn't enough. Researchers have found that when we are engaged in what we believe to be meaningful work, we take greater pride in our work. We are better able to handle stress, and we are more likely to stay motivated. Take the example of the NASA janitor. During a visit to the NASA Space Center in 1962, the US President John F. Kennedy noticed a janitor in the hall sweeping the floor. He asked the janitor what he was doing, and the janitor responded, "Well, Mr. President, I'm helping put a man on the moon." He wasn't just cleaning or earning a paycheck. Instead, this janitor saw himself as someone who was playing a role in the grand vision of sending a man to the moon. If you currently don't find your job meaningful, take a moment to reframe how you see your job or occupation. Ask yourself, in what ways does the work that you do helps others or contributes to society? This will make you feel that what you're doing has meaning. 3. Choose your friends wisely. Human beings are social creatures, and how we feel about ourselves is often impacted by the way in which others treat us. Therefore, to make your life feel more meaningful, look to surround yourself with people who value you and make you feel that you matter. 4. Express yourself. There's a lot of people out there pretending to be someone they're not. After all, the pressure to fit in and to conform is very strong. However, if you're not allowing yourself to be who you are, then you can't truly live a meaningful life. Think of the goals that you're currently pursuing. Does your goals sound like you? Do they reflect your personality? Are they in line with your values? If not, then you need different goals. Goals that allows you to express who you truly are. 5. Make a difference in small ways. You don't have to have a job that involves saving lives, and you don't have to do something incredibly heroic in order to have a meaningful life. You can help to make this world a better place with small acts of kindness every day, which then concurrently helps make your life more meaningful. 6. Think of your legacy. Someday, as you near the end of your life, it will be of great comfort to you to know that you're leaving a meaningful legacy behind. Take some time to sit down and ask yourself what your legacy will be when you're gone. If you're not happy with the answer, get to work on creating a meaningful legacy now. 7. Practice mindfulness. I know that mindfulness may sound so cliche, but it really is a very simple yet powerful exercise to practice on a daily basis. It is something I personally feel as one of the main reasons which helps me experience both meaning and happiness in life. In fact, research has shown that increased mindfulness has been found to be positively associated with greater presence of meaning in life, a relationship that could be explained by increased self-awareness and greater knowledge of and trust in oneself and awareness of one's strengths and weaknesses. So to anyone watching this, remember that you too can experience feeling alive in an instant. Because the truth is, you can practice mindfulness to find both meaning and little blessings to be thankful for in all ordinary moments of your everyday.